Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing this beast. This thing is huge. So let's pop it open. Okay. And oh my gosh. That is actually really satisfying. Ugh. The 11 by 11 Mo U. I was about to say Mojang. So let's open this bad boy up. For tape. Oh, there is tape. We don't care about tape. Just get it right open. Dude, this is so cool. First turns. Let's go and end perm. Ugh. This is very, very cool to turn. There's your end perm. Oh, that actually ended perfectly. That's my favorite colors on the Rubik's Cube. Yellow, orange, and blue. And this little sticker is right here. It's not like a printed on logo, it's just a sticker. I'm not gonna take it off because it's pretty cool. Let's do the end perm again to reverse. Just listen to this beast. It also turns very smoothly. And when you have a big cube that's even numbered or odd numbered, then there's only one thing to do. The checkerboard pattern. I don't want to break it. This is like so scary. Gotta align it. This is very heavy as well. It's like I said it was very heavy, but it's like a pound. But like, that's pretty heavy for a Rubik's Cube. That's one layer, and that took me like 12 minutes. That was bad. Let's just keep making the checkerboard pattern. This really is annoying me. This is very heavy. My hands are literally getting tired. Alright, where was I? It's very difficult to turn. There's one side. I gotta just finish. My hands are really tired. I just woke up. There it is, the checkerboard pattern. I gotta find the center. Yup, this is the center right here. You can tell because like the edge pieces are white. That's the only reason. Because if the edge pieces are white, it's gonna end off at the middle. I have to reverse checkerboard pattern this now. I hate this. Oh no. Oh no. This is a beast, and I do not like beasts. I like beauties, and this is not a beauty. That's 1% done. I'm solving it. I am solving the Rubik's Cube. Ugh, my hands are getting tired. I don't have to align this. I don't care. I do care. No, it keeps on like undoing it. This is very annoying. No, back to the start. Okay. Ugh. It's finally the white side complete. Gotta solve the rest. Just have to do this 5 times. This is easy. Ugh, this sucks. Alright. Like and subscribe if you want me to solve this. And I will solve it. But I have to get 15 likes on this video. Because I've seen, like, I upload quite a bit of videos. And, like, I get, like, 1 or 2 views. And I'm pretty happy with that. But I want 15 likes this time. And how do you get me 15 likes? Share with your friends, like the video, comment, subscribe, do whatever. And yeah, let's just scramble this like a 3x3. Oh my gosh! What? Oh my gosh, let's check out half turning. There's like these little pebbles like right here. So cool. I'm going to scramble it. This is my fear now. The 7x7 used to be my fear, but now it's the 11x11. Oh wait, I have an idea. 7-Eleven, the store. Okay, stopping. Okay, I'm scrambling it. I'm actually doing it. Ooh. Ugh. This really does suck. I wish I can keep in the solve stage for longer. Oh, that's so many colors. What am I doing with my life? I just really like the sound. I'm gonna solve this next video. And this next video is gonna be the same exact day, but I'm not gonna upload it until we get 15 likes. Ooh, skills. And also, guys, there's been this YouTube glitch going around, and it's been up for quite some time, where it randomly unsubscribes you from a YouTube video. So if you think you're subscribed, please check, and it helps out the channel a ton. It's free, and you can always unsubscribe later. I hate this. Check this out, though. It's all scrambled, and I don't know how to solve it. Why would I do this to myself? Like, what makes this a good idea? Well, that's going to be the end of the video, guys. Please subscribe if you want to see me suffer. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.